What's the fastest you've wiped a smirk off someone's face? 1. I taught high school math. One of my students claimed I had made some mistakes while grading his paper and marked some correct answers as wrong. He wanted me to give him credit for those answers and change his grade. I refused, saying that he had changed his answers after the test was graded. The student then went to the principal, who called a conference with both of us and asked why I believed he had altered his answers. I pulled out a photocopy I had made of his test before grading it, clearly showing his incorrect answers. The student, in desperation, claimed that the photocopier had made a mistake. 2. A few months ago, I was at a sleepover with some friends, and we decided to play Truth or Dare. I didn't get along with one of the girls, whom we'll call M anyway. I chose Dare, and M dared me to jump out of a window. This was especially cruel because M knew that I had a friend who had died by suicide in this way. I jumped out of a ground floor window